channel. Only your friends subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're gonna start with your English vocabulary, and that has been the important class, of course. And here it is your class 12. Whereas I told you that we had done your 11th classes of vocabulary, English vocabulary in the last classes. We had done your 510 words that we had done that to improve your vocabulary. That has been, we have here completed your half of the century there for your sake. You can just go ahead for that and you will find it on each and every video there in the playlist. You will find out here. In English vocabulary, we'll start with this. Before starting with this, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go through with the subscribe button and please like, share and subscribe our channel so that maximum people can get the information at once, and then you can also enjoy the video as well. In terms of 511th word, we have that the fold we have is your heinous. Heinous is a word spelled as Heinous, is used as adjective here. The meaning of the heinous is of a person or wrongful act, especially a crime, utterly that others or we killed as well. Now that is your we can say that is granite. Granite is that a crime, of course, that a person do as a wrong act here. Okay, that is known as, you can use for those that is your heinous here. Another word we have here, 512th word we have here, as you can see, is your cynical. Cynical is used as word adjective, and that is being, the meaning of that is you're believing that people are motivated purely by the self that inherent interest, and that distrustful of the human and sincerity or the integrity, which is your ninda, and that is your comes under in it, and which has been important too. Next, we'll go ahead with the 513th word we have here, which is being the attribution. In attribution, this is being used as noun here. For that, attribution is that the action of regarding something as being that is being the cave by a person of thing, that is your aparat, that is your aropakshya, and that is being aropaksh, that is being the attribution. You can use the word for the same as well, that is being said here. Now we'll go ahead with another one, which is being the another word is your 514th word we have, that is evoke. Evoke is being used as a verb here, and that is being, of course, important one. And evoke meaning is that summon or recall. That is your you have to andan karna, and that is the summon that you have to come for that is that recall. That is, no, you can use the word evoke as well. We'll go ahead with another one, which has been the 515th word we have. The word is your, that is ulterior, that is being used as your adjective, and the meaning of the same is that existing beyond what is obvious and admitted internationally, intentionally hidden, that is being the gupt. So that is a gupt, it means that the ulterior is your the world that has been existing beyond what is obvious and or admitted intentionally hidden here, that is being the gupt here, and that is being named, and we can use the word the where it is your ulterior here, and which is being used as an adjective, of course. We'll go ahead with another word, which is 516th word that we have to discuss here, which is being the word is your contour. Contour, that is being the word is being used as noun here. The meaning of it is an outline that representing or bounding the shape or form of something, that is रूपरेखा. So a boundary, a outline that bounding a particular shape, forming of something, like if we are making a square, so this is a boundary which is bounding to the particular figure. For that, we can say that the word is a contour or रूपरेखा, or some character will bound it out with a boundary, of course. So that has been also under, we can say that the word will be the use of contour as well. We'll go ahead with another one, which is 517th word we have, which is cognitive. In cognitive, this is being used as adjective here. In cognitive, the meaning is that connected with a thinking or conscious mental processes. So cognitive states that connected with thinking and conscious mental process, which is your Sangyanaatmak. Sangyanaatmak is being said by cognitive as well. We'll go ahead with 518th question, words we have to discuss here, which is constraint. In constraint, this is being used as noun here, constraint. The meaning of the constraint is a limitation or restriction, which is your badhyatak that we have here. Now we'll have your 519th word we have to talk about it, which is slander. Slander is being used as verb here, and the meaning of the slander is make false and damaging statements about someone. So हम किसी के बारे में गलत या उसके कैरेक्टर को गिराने के लिए बोलते हैं जो वर्ड्स लाइक झूठी निंदा करना, which is being the word you can use for them as was using a word slander here. Spelling is SLANDER here. We'll go ahead for the next. We'll talk about it, which has been the 520th word here, which has been important too. The word is here. That has been is used as noun, and the here means a scream. चीखकार, that is we are हम जब तक चीखते हैं, चीख के कोई बात करते हैं, scream करते हैं, so that is either using the word scream you can use your here. This is a new English vocabulary that we are using here right now. 521th word is your hostile, is a word, and hostile is being used as adjective. Meaning is that showing or feeling opposition or dislike, unfriendly or shatrutapur. That is your shatrutapur, like showing or feeling oppositions and that we have like dislike, unfriendly, shatrutapur as well. That is being comes under in it. We use the word hostile here. 522th word we have here is your conviction. In the world of conviction, this is being used as noun. Meaning of conviction is a formal declaration by the verdict of the jury that someone is guilty of the criminal offense. That is your dosh, that is siddhi. Dosh siddhi will be your Hindi meaning that we can use for this conviction word. We'll go ahead for the next word. We'll talk about it, which is 523rd word here. The word is anonymously. In anonymously, is this has been the word is being used as adverb, and meaning of anonymously is in a way that prevents a person from being identified by name. When you that you prevents a person that from being identified by their name, that is your gum naam roop se, so that is you can use the word for that is your anonymous here, anonymously. 524th word we have here, which has been your the paradoxically. In paradoxically, this has been used as adverb, and the meaning of paradoxically is in a seemingly absurd or self contradictory way, which has been that absorbed or some self contradictory way, which is your virodhabhas say, that has been, you can see use the word paradoxically here. In 525th word we have here, which is inherent. In inherent, that is being used as adjective, and the meaning of inherent here, which is being existing in something as a permanent, essential or characteristic, that attitude we have, like antisthit hona, that is being you can word use, you can hear is inherent here. Now we'll go ahead for the next. Is your 526th word we have is your conductive. In conductive, we have your word that is being used as adjective here. Conductive, that is making a certain situation on a time, that likely or possible, which is anukul, and that for that we can use the word conductive here as well, which is being of course important, and for the same you'll have to answer it out as well, and which is good for us as well to know about all these words. And as I told you, we have reached more than a century here, more than a half centuries, of course, that these all are important one, and you will get to know and you will understood, and when you are going to answer it out, you will be using these words in your vocabulary, in your communication, so it will improve your communication and of course your confidence as well, and it will enhance your communication skill as well as the English as well. So let's go ahead for the next word, which we have is a 527th word of the session, that what we even do have to discuss here. Let's go ahead for the same. 527th word we have here. The word is your unsolicited. In unsolicited, this is being used as adjective here, and unsolicited, and that the meaning of unsolicited is that not asked for a given or a done voluntarily. In that is not asked for a given or done voluntarily, which is your unchahi. That is the meaning of that particular word is unchahi, and that we have to use it here. On the same cases, the sentence that has been used here, which is that the new mother wished she sent, that she could stop the family members from giving unsolicited advice on how to care for her baby. That what we have to answer it out here, and that is what the unsolicited word is being used here. 138 question of the session is, of course, that is malice. Malice is your word that is being used as noun here, and for the same, for malice, the meaning is that unhappiness, restlessness, and that is being as avyastha. And the sentence is being used is that the Jason knew he was getting ill because of the malaise he had been experiencing for a few days. For that, you can use the word malice here. We'll go ahead with the 429 words of the vocabulary that we have to improve here. Word is your corroborate. Corroborate is a word that is being used as verb here, and the word meaning is we have here is your confirm or give support to. You can confirm or give support to, then you can use the word corroborate. The sentence is used is, even though she knew her husband was lying, Mary still agreed to corroborate his story in court. That is being the use a word when you are using the word corroborate here, and that is being the important, of course. We'll go ahead with the next word, which is being the 530th word we have here, that is the redemption. Redemption is the word that is being used as noun, and the word meaning is for the redemption is the action of solving or being saved from sin, error, or evil, which is your chutkara. For the sentence being used for this, that is, through writing his biography, the criminal hoped to earn redemption for his crime by changing the lives of troubled young people. That you can use the word here. 531, the word we have is your, that is your accomplice, which is being the word is being used as noun. The meaning of accomplice is a person who help another commit a crime. So a person who help another commit a crime, which is सह अपराधी, जिसने अपराध किया है उसके साथ साथ अगर आप उसका हेल्प करते हो, तो दैट यू आर नोन एज सह अपराधी. You can use the word accomplice here. The sentence is being used for that, which is being that Lena could not have committed murder in two different towns at the same time unless she had an accomplice. तो लीना दो जगह, दो अलग अलग टाउन में एक साथ मर्डर नहीं कर सकती जब तक उसका कोई अकम्प्लाइज ना हो. फॉर द सेम दैट वी आर यूजिंग हियर वर्ड हियर. Now we'll go ahead for the next word, which is being the 532 with the word we have here, and that the word is your concoct. Concoct is a word which is being used as verb here, which is being of course important, and that is the meaning of concoct is to create or demise a story or place here. That is your, we have a word which is being the concoct here. Sentence is being used as using only his cell phone. The talented filmmaker was able to concoct a wonderful film that was won several awards. That is the concoct here, to create or devise the story or plan here. That is being we have, or that is your man must that we have. Now we'll go ahead for the next word, which we have 533rd word we have to discuss here, which has been a rhetoric. Rhetoric is a word this is being used as noun, and that the art of affecting or persuading the speaking for writing and expressions. That is your bhasha karna. The sentence is used that the politicians hoped his rhetoric would win him a shot of that votes as well, some votes as well. We'll give you another question, and that has been the last word we will discuss here in this. That has been the 534th word, and that is appeasement. This has been used as noun, and the word is satisfaction, gratify, which is your tusht karna. In this same case, the sentence has been used that the appeasement of any of that jobs was only possible when the governor spoke to her. That is for to their leaders and come to an agreement here, that we have your answer. So here we're gonna end up with other than that we talk about it. Yes, of course we have to deal with many of the questions here, and that has been of course important one. In the same cases for terms of vocabulary, other than this we had done your sociology and software engineering. After talking about the software engineering, we had done the chemistry as well, and in terms of chemistry we had done your unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, unit 5, unit 6, unit 7, and unit 8 as well, as well as your unit 9 as well here that we had done. After talking about that, we had done your conversions and your vocabulary of course, and then we're dealing and in the same cases about conversions, that the atomic number symbols with the atomic mass, and of course with their atomic mass and molar masses of course we had done. After talking about that, we are dealing we had completed your understanding the human aspiration, and your human being comprehensively the human aspiration and its fulfillment as well we had done. In that we had completed your unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, unit 5, and unit 6 we had done as well, with this 2 marks possible question, that has been the important one of course. And other than that, if I'm going ahead, yes, we had done many of the questions related to, we are dealing with ER diagram as well, which is we had done dealing with the different types of ER diagram, which is very important for you as well. After talking about ER diagram, we are dealing with a quantitative aptitude, where we had started with arithmetical ability. In that we had done your operations and numbers, LCM and SCM of numbers, decimal fraction, simplification, square roots and cube roots, and then your problems on numbers, forms on ages, sorts and indices, and percentage we are dealing as well. After talking about that, yes, we are dealing with a reasoning, where we had completed your verbal reasoning and non-verbal reasoning. In verbal reasoning, we had done your general mental ability and the logic reasoning. In non-verbal reasoning, we had done your series and logic classification, analytical reasoning, mirror image, water image, embedded figure, completions of incomplete pattern, figure matrix, paper folding, paper cutting, rule detection, grouping of identical figures, cubes and dice, dot situation, constructions of squares and triangles, and figure formation analysis. And now we are dealing with the question where practice question set, that has been the important for you as well. After talking about that, yes, we will deal with many of the CBNST we are dealing with, and after in terms of vocabulary, yeah, we are dealing with the vocabulary as well. That is being we had reached for 534 vocabulary words we are dealing here. Other than that, we'll start discussing about the next new words as well, that will improve your vocabulary and improve your English as well. So here we're gonna end up with it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go through with the subscribe button, and please like, share and subscribe our channel, so that many maximum people can get the information at once, and whether you can also enjoy the video as well. Thank you, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on the comment box. Thank you.